right, this is the Homewood suites, I'm pretty sure. And we got ThyssenKrupp elevators. This one's coming down from 4. That one's up on 8.
Thank you.
No problem. They're MRL, or traction, some sort of traction or MRL. Probably Synergy. These are nice. Nothing crazy special, but they're much better than the ones at the Holiday Inn across the street. These might just be regular traction. I think they're bottom drive, honestly. Are you going up? Okay. Let's look really fast. I can't see. Rip. I can't tell. Oh, these are bottom drive. All right, I'm gonna look quickly. Anyway, I'm gonna investigate, see if these are bottom drive. Anyway, that's it.